And free was sacrum abundance, so I took a course for assassin. So, me need the sister son to be a guy, and Nsomromma school tour. Yanena mu Kumasi. Now do Kumasi school back wa mu body. Udu baby obiasia Saint More the Georgiettes Montessori School. Yes, one of the best schools in Kumasi. Almost supported talent here by day. Yadi emfoni na ba be piemu ha say ni nyina ye Nsomromma Auditions anyame Adom ochna ebekọ so True Vine Hotel ahojo. Mr. Yabwa, hello sir.
Hello, welcome to Kumasi.
Thank you very much. Thank you. But Adom TV suni.
Adom TV for your kwaba be Kumasi.
You school ndi some support talent pa.
Bacho mane. Enti your dance club, your music club, and swimming club. Your tennis club, into had the talent there. One of the best schools we support talent.
I see. Can I see my babies?
Okay.
Swimming club, tennis club, dance club, everything else Saint More. And in fact they have music. That should tell you say Menyanyum to 4P. Every Saint More has say your environment is very serene. You're very neat. I have a very, very neat. Nice. I'll best you had your hand. I dream of fun. Hello, Saint More. Hello. Good morning. Me the sister Sandy. Na muni Nsomromma. Muni Nsomromma. Hey, muni pa. Nsomromma. Yes, muni mhada omoya omonsa. Nsomromma. Nsomromma. Yes, moya ga Adom TV was oye papa monsa mamo ho. Na music class no. Momo do send no music class. Align they are still coming. We came very early. Why no music class? Oh bye. Why? Alan, maybe no music class. That's my son, y'all. Alan AJ, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yes, what music class? What's your name?
Singing.
Hey, Tokaka, what's your singing? Yo, yeah! Saying tomorrow, Tokaka, 3, 2, 1, yeah,
Hey yo, you got the danger up of disco. When you get started, Mary ain't go stop. You know, turn it up till it gets too hot. Everybody say, hey yo.
One guy as well. One more. Who else? Anybody else? Still no more, but now wouldn't be. I do content me ba ha say no. Nsomromma Kumasi Auditions, you know. Kwaso ochna nyame Adom a True Vine Hotel. Me say kwaso wa hey. True Vine Hotel. From 7 a.m. till the last person. Ye jinam fitiano past 7. Oh, fear by 6 years. Equasi 14 years. Free is what? Free. Is what? Free. Free. So oh ba men sure yan just be I said tomorrow for kwade. My mom when mom will pass where she unza. It's what Nsomromma a True Vine Hotel in Nsomromma Kumasi Auditions about so live. Now be a school more music class there. Next a mobile pa me boa. Mobile. More shame ball. More sure. And 3, 2, 1, young quay. I promise of my Anna see ya no guy shoe ya guy. Hey. All right. Famamo. Chi. Kiki. I says one way a guy, one sama ho. Hey, so it's not why na me who no man is so it's not why na me who no. Hey, what's not why na me who no? Hey, mo ferry. What's not why na me who no? What's not why I'm mama so? What's not why? Who am I seeing tomorrow at True Vine? Saint More, we are the best. Saint More. Saint More. Miss Nadia, Pacho Bame. Oh, man, you so more talent. Watch now one for my memory True Vine. Met you the Gia. Yes, more music school.
And Kasasi.
More music school.
Aish, no problem.
Music school, no Kalano. We try more music and Kasa.
Yeah, try more music and Kasa. Saint More, there when you. We are the best. About this year, we dear. Clack it. Not just say, but talent is so dear. You are the best place. St. More Community School, papa.
Watch now Nsomromma Auditions, True Vine Hotel, more music school. They make who baby or honum.
We are all coming.
Okay.
We are coming in our numbers.
In your buses.
I tell you.
And it's free. And just is free.
We are coming. We are repping live and colored.
All right. So see you tomorrow at True Vine Hotel. See you tomorrow at where?
True Vine Hotel.
See you tomorrow at where?
True Vine Hotel.
Me need the sister Sandy. If you're man quiet, the free Saint tomorrow, bro. Kumasi. So for like wine, so one no more. Over to you. Okay, so my name is Sister Sandy B. Guy and me for Adom TV. Nsomromma. Nsomromma. Yeah, just to say Nsomromma. Yeah, straight. Nsomromma. Nsomromma. And guess what? Why I'm here today? Ochina and Kumasi Auditions, you know. Now, my name is Lutran. They school we are very disciplined. At the same time, my name is most supported talent. Lots of talent. Lutran has say.
Pa.
I between your pa.
Pa.
I mean, become a.
They can really sing.
They can sing.
Pa.
Hey, can you sing? Yeah. Can you sing? Yeah. That should tell you, it's a school where you say, you know, and you this young keke almost have supported talent. It's in Adom Ochina, True Vine Hotel, Kumasi Nsomromma Auditions, Rebecca so me pacho free. Yanji sikabia ye de ne say what talent ye put you on Amaria fa na nyina hu oba Nsomromma Auditions no benefit ne doors to bebre aside the say do betu kwan free Ghana aside sika de so ne ade enti wo age no 6 years to 14 years me pa cha ochina bra True Vine Hotel no past 7 air kono what ya say oh mama che say madam ba show me da say lutra mo national anthem mo anthem bia mbeto ama me ana oh and mo nto mo anthem no ne hu say school no mo ye guy hu sa okay so your anthem this is Lutran School in Kumasi. Our national anthem and our motto, no, our school anthem and our motto. HS are ready for us and Nsomromma Kumasi Auditions. Yes, a lot of talent for school has said, and hopefully, no, me who are among our honor watch Adom Kumasi Auditions, True Vine Hotel, and Ebeko so Anopanuncia 7. Ekosi said the last person ever saw me. This is Sister Sandy, and thank you so much. Yeah, quite the next school. Now you know more. Thank you. Yes, sir.